I'm Brad Steiner, and this is my 15112 term project. This project is a housing market bubble predictor. A housing bubble is defined as a run-up in housing prices fueled by demand, speculation, and exuberance. Since those factors are difficult to quantify, I decided to build a predictive model based on 4 quantifiable factors: mortgage delinquency rates, number of building permits, price-to-income ratios, and interest rates. This program runs a multivariate linear regression based on data from before, leading up to, during, and after the housing market crash of 2007. So it uses an XLRD module and an API to pull and manipulate data from Excel files and online databases, and then it plugs that data into the regression model that is run in Python. So that way it outputs a predicted median home price for that city that is what the price should be according to the model. It then compares it to the actual median home price for that year, and if the actual price is greater than the predicted price, the program will tell you that you have a housing bubble. Let me show you how it works. So this is the splash screen. You can press a key to continue, or at any point you can click on the logo in the upper left corner to go back to that screen. So here's the home screen. There are 2 links on the screen: home, which is what this current screen is, and methodology, which basically just contains some information, some stuff that I just told you about, and some sources of data that I used. So on the home screen, you'll see 2 pins, one for the city of Chicago, one for New York, and the 2 pins are different colors. Chicago is green, and the colors signify whether there is a housing bubble or not. So for Chicago, there is not a housing bubble. For New York, there currently is a housing bubble. Down here, there's a slider for different years, so you can scroll through different years. So if I change, right now the current year is 2016. If I click the minus sign, it'll go to 2015. And you'll see that the colors of the pins change based on the updated data for each year. So let's just scroll through a few more years so you get the idea. So you can also click into these pins, and it'll show you here for New York results. It'll show you the factors that were used to determine the home price, so mortgage delinquency rates, building permits, price-to-income ratio, and interest rate. And then it'll also tell you the output, which is the predicted median home price, and compare it to the actual median home price. So here, since the actual median home price is less than or equal to the predicted price, it'll say New York is not in a bubble. And also when you're in this window here, you can also still scroll through the data. And it'll update the data that is currently in the window. So right now, I only have data for 2 cities, but this is just an idea of how the program works, and other cities could always be added in the future. Thanks for watching.